Nederman is really living and breathing the brand by using the S-Series in our own crating operation here in Charlotte, North Carolina.
The S-Series is designed to remove harmful particles from the air in manufacturing environments. Having a filtration system that actually removes those harmful particles from the air is super important, and that translates to it being important for everyone that works in our facility and our customers.
I am proud to work at Nederman. We're using our own product because it works, it's efficient, it's safe, it keeps our environment clean and better air to breathe. We want to stay healthy and to get home to our families safe and sound and leave here the same way we came in.
Nederman is creating clean air for our employees just like we do for our customers.